Cut the mushroom. 내 말이 안 된다는 거야. 내 말을. 내 말을 그거야. Not too painful. The shocks.
It just moves when it's...
Yeah, it's like shocking your muscles, so your muscles are reacting. 여기를 하얀색으로 테두리를 만들고 얘도 하얀색으로 페인트 칠해버리고 유리 떼내고 저 선반 떼내고 저기 아마 젠다에 이렇게 일자짜리 하나 들어가고 얘들은 그냥 유지 젠다에도 안 넣어도 되겠다. 그리고 이렇게 베란다도 청소해야 되고 여기에 신발장 넣을 수도 있고 초인종도 달아주고 이 창문도 깨끗하게 해야 돼. 그렇게 높은 창문은 아닙니다. Take this up.
Hi lady, welcome to your YouTube channel, Lady the Lazy Dog. Oh! You're so needy, aren't you? Needy, needy dog. Needy, needy dog. You're so cute. If I stop petting her, she's like, how dare you? Okay.
Looks like fish, doesn't it? This is Aisha.
Did you do it already?
No?
Okay, ready? So bad with sour stuff. Yeah.
Oh, what is it gum?
Oh, it's gum. I'm really not used to this, but it's fun. Sure, it's just hair. It's so fucking pink. Oh my god. It's actually really hard going to pretty places alone. Like, I'm all for solo tripping, but I can't take pictures of myself.
It looks crazy like anime. I want to watch anime now. Before you say that a student is not getting it, first check if you're an approachable teacher where the student will feel comfortable coming up to you and asking for help, or does he just sit there? He or she just sit there, and then it makes you more frustrated.
빼야지 안 빼? 빼지 말고 그냥 해라.
I don't mind because once I'm out, I'm fine with being out, but Lynn, say hi! Look at this.
신도님들의 트레이드마크인 우리 저 한복 반가운데요. 올해도 함께 해주신 많은 불자님들께 감사드리겠습니다. 환영합니다. 네, 진강중의 스승님들께서도 행렬에 함께 해주셨는데요. 어서 오세요. 환영합니다.
I'm here on the verge of crying, thinking about stuff. But I just realized I don't have any friends in Korea. Like I do, but they're not like close friends. And then it makes me question if I ever had friends at all. I think I get really scared of making friends because I feel like they'll leave. But like not like, cause I've never had a falling out with a friendship and like they didn't want to be my friend anymore, but like they're gone. As in I move on with my life and I lose contact with them and then something bad happens. Or they move on with their life and they leave Korea too. Like that's part of being an expat as well. Like friends that you make, they leave or you leave. So I'm just at like a weird position right now because it does take a lot of energy for me to make friends. Because I do feel like sometimes I'm not approachable, even though I feel like if you were to meet me, I'm very welcoming. But people have been saying that for my whole life, that I am not approachable. They think I'm a bitch or something just because of how I look. I don't really know. But then yeah, so like it leads to situations where I do meet people for the first time and all of this is in my head because I'm such an overthinker that I then don't feel like I'm being welcoming, or I am super shy and overthinking and insecure and awkward. And then no one wants to be friends with me. Anyway, or maybe it's just people are the same as me. It takes a lot of energy to make friends as well. I don't think I've ever had one best friend that was just like my best friend, you know, like each other's best friend. And it makes me sad. Everyone's always impressed with how I can park. Lady, who's that? Who's it? Okay, I don't think I did a good job. This clashing is a little bit too clashing. I'm sorry. This is terrible. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, no one comes to my apartment anyway, so maybe it's fine. Yeah, whatever.